New York City, the city that never sleeps, has endless attractions. But today, we're diving into the hidden gems of the Big Apple. 15 amazing things to see and do that won't empty your wallet. Stick around because you won't believe what's right under your nose. Welcome back to our channel. If you love discovering the best travel spots, hidden treasures, and budget-friendly adventures, you've come to the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest travel tips and guides. Now, let's uncover some of New York's best-kept secrets. New York City is a sprawling metropolis known for its iconic landmarks like Times Square, Central Park, and the Statue of Liberty. But beyond these famous attractions lies a city rich with hidden gems waiting to be discovered. New York's diverse neighborhoods, each with its own unique charm, history, and culture, offer a wealth of experiences that are often overlooked by tourists. From the cobblestone streets of the West Village to the vibrant street art of Bushwick, the city is full of surprises. Exploring New York's lesser-known spots not only provides a deeper understanding of the city's rich tapestry but also offers a more intimate and authentic experience. Many of these hidden treasures are steeped in history, offering glimpses into the lives of immigrants who helped shape the city, the evolution of its architecture, and the vibrant cultural scenes that thrive in its various boroughs. These places often have fascinating stories behind them, waiting to be uncovered by curious minds. For those who love the outdoors, New York is home to many green spaces beyond Central Park. Hidden gardens, community parks, and waterfront promenades provide serene escapes from the hustle and bustle of the city. Art enthusiasts can find inspiration in the city's numerous lesser-known museums and galleries, where local and international artists showcase their work. Foodies, too, will be delighted to discover that New York's culinary scene extends far beyond the famous eateries, with countless neighborhood spots serving up delicious and affordable fare from around the world. Furthermore, many of these hidden gems are budget-friendly or even free, making them perfect for travelers and locals alike who want to experience the best of New York without spending a fortune. From historical sites and cultural landmarks to unique art installations and quirky attractions, there's something for everyone. Whether you're looking to explore off-the-beaten-path neighborhoods, enjoy stunning views of the city, or dive into New York's rich history and culture, these under-the-radar spots offer unforgettable experiences that won't break the bank. So, if you're ready to see a different side of New York, one that's filled with wonder, discovery, and affordability, join us as we unveil 15 amazing things to see and do that won't put a big dent in your wallet. Let's embark on this adventure together and uncover the hidden gems that make New York City truly special. 1. Roosevelt Island Tramway. Imagine gliding high above the bustling city streets, with the East River sparkling below and the majestic Manhattan skyline stretching out before you. The Roosevelt Island Tramway offers this breathtaking experience for the price of a subway ticket. As you ascend, the noise of the city fades, replaced by the gentle hum of the tram. You'll be treated to unparalleled views of the Queensboro Bridge and the iconic skyline, making this ride a perfect start to your New York adventure. Whether you're snapping photos or simply soaking in the views, the Roosevelt Island Tramway is an exhilarating, budget-friendly escape from the urban hustle. 2. The Elevated Acre, tucked away in the heart of the financial district, is a hidden oasis known as the Elevated Acre. This beautifully landscaped park, perched atop a building, is a serene retreat from the concrete jungle below. As you step into this elevated garden, you're greeted by lush greenery, colorful flowers, and panoramic views of the East River. The Elevated Acre is the perfect spot to unwind with a good book, enjoy a picnic, or simply take a moment to breathe. With its peaceful ambiance and stunning vistas, this hidden gem offers a unique and refreshing perspective on the city. 3. City Hall Station. Step back in time and discover the architectural marvel that is the abandoned City Hall Station. Though closed to the public since 1945, this subway station remains a testament to the grandeur of New York's early 20th century design. The station's elegant arches, ornate tiles, and stunning skylights make it a hidden treasure beneath the city streets. While you can't explore it on foot, you can catch a glimpse of its beauty by staying on the 6 train as it loops through the station. This glimpse into the past offers a fascinating contrast to the modern city above, and it's a must-see for history enthusiasts. 4. Greenwood Cemetery. Greenwood Cemetery in Brooklyn is not just a resting place for the departed. It's a sprawling, 478-acre sanctuary filled with history, art, and natural beauty. As you wander through the cemetery's winding paths, you'll encounter magnificent Gothic monuments, serene ponds, and ancient trees. The cemetery is also home to the highest point in Brooklyn, Battle Hill, offering stunning views of Manhattan and the Statue of Liberty. Greenwood Cemetery is a peaceful retreat where you can reflect on the past and appreciate the beauty of life in a uniquely tranquil setting. 5. The Cloisters. Nestled in Fort Tryon Park, the Cloisters is a hidden gem that transports you to medieval Europe without leaving New York City. This branch of the Metropolitan Museum of Art is dedicated to the art and architecture of the Middle Ages, featuring stunning tapestries, illuminated manuscripts, and intricate sculptures. The building itself is a masterpiece, constructed from elements of medieval European monasteries, abbeys, and chapels. As you explore the serene gardens and courtyards, you'll feel as though you've stepped into another era. The Cloisters is a must-visit for art lovers and anyone seeking a peaceful escape from the city's hustle and bustle. 6. The Tenement Museum. Journey into the heart of New York's immigrant history at the Tenement Museum on the Lower East Side. This museum offers a unique glimpse into the lives of immigrants who lived in the tenement buildings during the 19th and early 20th centuries. Through guided tours of meticulously restored apartments, you'll learn about the struggles and triumphs of families from diverse backgrounds who called these tenements home. The Tenement Museum's immersive storytelling brings history to life, making it a captivating and educational experience that highlights the rich tapestry of New York's immigrant heritage. 7. Governor's Island. A short ferry ride from Lower Manhattan takes you to Governor's Island, a tranquil haven with a rich history and stunning views. This car-free island is perfect for a day of biking, picnicking, and exploring. Wander through the historic forts, visit the art installations, or relax in a hammock grove. The island also offers unparalleled views of the Statue of Liberty and the Manhattan skyline. With its expansive green spaces and vibrant cultural events, Governor's Island is a delightful escape from the city's chaos, offering both relaxation and adventure at no cost. 8. The High Line. The High Line, an elevated park built on a historic freight rail line, is one of New York's most innovative and beloved public spaces. Stretching 1.45 miles along Manhattan's west side, this greenway offers a unique perspective on the city, with beautifully landscaped gardens, public art installations, and fantastic views of the Hudson River. As you stroll along the High Line, you'll discover a variety of plants and flowers, as well as thoughtfully designed seating areas where you can relax and take in the scenery. The High Line is a perfect blend of nature and urban design, making it a must-visit destination for both locals and tourists. 9. The Museum at Eldridge Street. Step inside the museum at Eldridge Street and be transported to the late 19th century. Housed in the historic Eldridge Street Synagogue, this museum is a testament to the Jewish immigrant experience in New York. The synagogue's stunning architecture, with its intricate stained glass windows and beautifully restored interior, is a sight to behold. Through engaging exhibits and guided tours, you'll learn about the history of the Jewish community on the Lower East Side and the significance of this landmark building. The museum at Eldridge Street is a hidden gem that offers a deep dive into New York's cultural and religious history. 10. The New York Earth Room. For a truly unique and meditative experience, visit the New York Earth Room in Soho. This art installation by Walter de Maria consists of 250 cubic yards of earth spread across the floor of a loft space. The sight and scent of the dark, rich soil create a serene and contemplative atmosphere, inviting visitors to pause and reflect. The Earth Room has been quietly captivating visitors since 1980, offering a stark contrast to the busy streets outside. It's a hidden oasis of tranquility and a thought-provoking piece of art that challenges your perception of space and environment. 11. The Brooklyn Flea. Discover a treasure trove of vintage finds and artisanal goods at the Brooklyn Flea Market. Held on weekends in various locations, this market is a haven for shoppers seeking unique items and handmade crafts. From antique furniture and retro clothing to locally made jewelry and delicious food, the Brooklyn Flea offers a vibrant and eclectic shopping experience. It's a great place to find one-of-a-kind souvenirs or simply enjoy the lively atmosphere. The market's ever-changing array of vendors ensures that each visit is a new adventure, making it a beloved destination for both locals and visitors. 12. The Socrates Sculpture Park. In the heart of Queens, the Socrates Sculpture Park is an outdoor museum and public park where artists create and exhibit large-scale sculptures and multimedia installations. This waterfront park offers stunning views of the Manhattan skyline and the East River, making it a beautiful and inspiring place to explore. The ever-changing exhibits ensure there's always something new to see, and the park's commitment to community engagement and education makes it a welcoming space for all. Whether you're an art enthusiast or just looking for a peaceful place to relax, the Socrates Sculpture Park is a hidden gem worth visiting. 13. The Whispering Gallery at Grand Central Terminal. Grand Central Terminal is more than just a transportation hub. It's also home to a fascinating acoustic marvel known as the Whispering Gallery. Located in front of the Oyster Bar restaurant, this architectural oddity allows you to stand at one corner of the gallery and whisper, and the sound will travel across the domed ceiling to the opposite corner. It's a fun and surprising experience that delights visitors of all ages. The Whispering Gallery is a perfect example of the hidden wonders that New York City has to offer, adding an extra layer of magic to your visit to this iconic landmark. 14. The Museum of the Moving Image. Film and television enthusiasts will find a paradise at the Museum of the Moving Image in Astoria, Queens. This museum is dedicated to the art, history, and technology of film, television, and digital media. With its extensive collection of artifacts, interactive exhibits, and screenings, the Museum of the Moving Image offers a comprehensive and engaging exploration of the moving image industry. From classic films to contemporary digital art, the museum showcases the evolution of media and its impact on culture. It's a must-visit for anyone interested in the magic of the screen, providing a captivating journey through the world of film and television. 15. The Bronx's Little Italy. Experience the authentic flavors and vibrant culture of Italy in the Bronx's Little Italy on Arthur Avenue. This lively neighborhood is home to family-owned bakeries, delis, restaurants, and markets that have been serving the community for generations. Stroll down Arthur Avenue and savor the aroma of freshly baked bread, handmade pasta, and rich espresso. Whether you're dining at a cozy trattoria or picking up ingredients for a home-cooked meal, the Bronx's Little Italy offers a taste of Italy that's both delicious and affordable. It's a culinary adventure that transports you to the heart of Italian tradition without leaving New York City. And there you have it, 15 amazing, under-the-radar things to see and do in New York City that won't put a big dent in your wallet. From hidden parks and historic sites to unique art installations and vibrant neighborhoods, NYC has so much more to offer than what meets the eye. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let us know in the comments which spot you're most excited to visit. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more budget-friendly travel tips and hidden gems. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.